Hello everyone, you may how. Okay, so the next five sentences we're going to learn today in our 900 Chinese sentence challenge is okay. Just follow my mouse. Number 6, 还不错. Last time we went 1 to 5. That is 你好，你好吗？好久不见，最近怎么样？工作忙不忙？ Okay, today we are continuing from 还不错, which means 还不错. Only 不错 means not bad, not bad. So 还不错, still not bad, still not bad. That is not too bad, still not bad. That is still okay, acceptable. Then number 7 is 请进. Qing means please, while Jin means to enter. So please enter. That is come in please. Please enter. Come in please. Then number 8 is 您贵姓. 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 Nin means you. It's still you, but in a polite way. If you remember our first sentence, when we say 你好 means hello. So that you use 你好 for maybe your colleagues, your age mates, person that doesn't need, your classmates and all that. Then, but we use 您 for maybe your teacher, your boss in the office, your parents. You use 您. So instead of saying 你好, you say 您, N-I-N, 您, then 好, also means hello. Okay, so but this 你贵姓 is a surname. 贵姓 is surname. So 您贵姓 is what is your surname? What is your family name? You know, surname is a father's name, so that's why 您贵姓 have to be polite when asking asking you your surname. 您贵姓. Maybe when you want to meet someone for the first time, want to save their phone number, the polite way to ask them their name is 您贵姓, right? Please, what is your family name or what is your surname? Then the ninth one for today is 您怎么称呼? 你怎么称呼 means what? You how address. Like if you translate word on word, like how should I address you? Or you're just trying to ask the person what is your name. But this is the polite way of saying, instead of asking, for those of us that know Nijashama means that what is your name, Nijashama means like this one, for example, if you meet your business partner, a Chinese business partner, or just meet a Chinese person, you want to ask the person's name. You know, Nijashama means is a common saying. It's not like, but when you use Nizamashonhu, it's more polite to use Nizamashonhu. Like, how should I address you? The person will now say 我姓, like 我姓, this Shin, and my surname is. If you want to answer this, they say 我 S-I-N-G, 我姓 Oba, 我叫 Obama, like that. Then the number 10, the 10th sentence is 请问谁是王经理? 请问谁是王经理? Okay, I'm going to break it one on one. 请问 means please excuse me, or please may I ask. 请 is please, when is to ask. So 请问 normally we use it in Chinese like just like in English, excuse me, like that. Then 谁 is who, 是 is, Wang is somebody's name, 经理 is manager. So excuse me, who is manager Wang? That is the meaning of this sentence. Excuse me, who is manager Wang? Like, excuse me, is Mr. Wang manager here? Who is manager Wang? Okay, so that is the five sentences we are going to learn today. Let's recap. Number 6 is 还不错. 7, 请进, please come in. 你贵姓? 你怎么称呼? 请问谁是王经理? 好， 下次见，再见。See you next time. Bye.